tonight is Customer Appreciation Night for the Conscious Builder. So much fun to really see people who have hired the Conscious Builder and trusted the Conscious Builder to be their builder or renovator. So it's always so lovely to be able to give back and just treat them to a lovely evening of great conversations, great food and drink.
So they did a drop ceiling, the living room, they did both bathrooms, and they worked on my lighting system, and they did a fabulous job.
And we are at our long overdue customer appreciation event, and this is fun because we have a good mix of people in there. We have clients, we have designers, we have architects, we have subcontractors, and the great thing is that a lot of those subcontractors, designers, architects, they're also clients as well. And we're all working towards one purpose, which is just building better homes, making the industry better as a whole.
I've known Casey for a better part of our careers. He and I have worked together on a number of projects on both my own home and his own home over the course of the years, and we continue to work together from my perspective on the design side, and Casey, of course, as the Conscious Builder.
The cake is from Strawberry Blonde Bakery, one of my favorite bakeries in the city. Big shout out to Jackie, the owner, who wanted to create a space for anybody who had nut allergies or gluten intolerances, or who just wanted a vegan dessert that tastes delicious. So the cake itself is vegan, it's gluten-free, and it is phenomenal. It's a maple chai, and it's a perfectly safe place for any of you who have children with nut allergies, because it's a completely nut-free facility. So you can bring them in there and they can have anything they want.
So it's really great to all come together and finally celebrate really the only reason why we're in business, and that is our clients and the business and our partners as we move forward in this industry.